Hey guys, it's Armay, and let's get started with the try-on haul from SHEIN. Let's start with dresses first. So yeah, stay tuned. It was described as Bridgerton inspired. I can see where they were going with this, but this is kind of thin material, so I would wear something like a slip dress underneath it or some type of shorts or something. And also you can get away with the bra with this. If I come a little closer, you can see my boobs are below where the waistline band is. So you just, pull them up or what have you. There aren't any pockets and has this type of back, so it does give you some leeway. I will put the size of this somewhere in the video or down below so you'll know what the size is, but this is the Curve Plus line that I did buy from. So it's cute, it's not hot or anything. It's like a very thin material, so you can get away with this spring into summer. And it hits me at about the middle of my shin. I'm 5'9", so for height reference. Okay, my microphone went out for some reason. And also excuse my hair, I don't know what's going on. But this is like a leopard print, just pink flimsy type throw-on dress. This feels more like a cover-up material than I'm finna go somewhere. I mean, you could play it up by putting some type of waist cincher on or something like that. It's cute. I personally wouldn't wear it because I just don't like prints all over with certain colors. Like this hot pink makes me feel like all the attention is on me, and I really don't like that much attention. And yeah, it's cool, but not for me. Alright, this one is actually my favorite. Now, all I need is just a bra on and it would look better. But I wanted to show you guys what it looks like with no undergarments at all. There's also a tie that you can put around your neck if you want to. I have it off the shoulder just to show, like, you can show off your décolleté area, your chest, or whatever you want to, but you don't have to. It does go fully covering your arms and your shoulders. But I think this is the prettiest one that I did find. I did have another one, but I just did not like the material and I didn't even try it on. I just, But this is the last dress. The next outfit is going to be more summertime than spring, so it's the bottoms. I like harem pants, so I think harem pants are easy to dress up and down. This is a wild card outfit. I do like it. I just would bring it up for me to feel a little bit more comfortable. The bottom is from Curve Plus. I think I got this in a 7X, which is their 28-30. I think, I'm not really sure. But the top is regular curve, and I think this is in a 4XL, which for me is in a 3X. And it covers my back really, really, really good. So I don't feel like I'm overexposed for those who don't like showing their rolls. I'm a little bit more modest when it comes to showing my body. Even if I lose a lot of weight, I wouldn't be like, back down, showing everything. I like mystery. I'm a mysterious person, so I think this is really cute. I mean, if you want to show boobs, you could just open it up a little bit. But I think this is a good springtime and summer summer because this is sleeveless, crop top. You get a little breeze. These are very comfortable. You can wear another pair of like little shorts on there if you want to feel a little bit more control, but these are very loose type pants. I think I'm gonna buy some more of these. I really like this because this is more my aesthetic for every day. So let me go try on the other pair because I do have a different print in these and I think they're a different size. All right, so here are the other pair. These are in the 7X30 and the ones I just took off are in the same size. This is the SHEIN Curve line. See, these are not as forgiving as the other ones. There's a different type of make of them. It has some elastic in it, but as you can see that it's pretty much stretched out on me. And I do have a pair of shorts on underneath here. But it's still the same style, but this is more, you can get away with this at the office type pants. They don't have pockets, neither one of them have pockets, but I think this is good for a transition to summer. Not with this top per se, but another tank, maybe a bodysuit in these pants will go better. I do have a bodysuit in black that I can pair with this. I also have a white one. But yeah, she is a good option when you want a lot of different kinds of options in your size, but don't want to feel so guilty about the price tag. Especially if it's like for vacation clothes. Most of the time, most of my vacation clothes, I don't even wear them no more after I go on vacation because they're just that unique that the vibe at home don't give what vacation gave. So yeah, this is the end of the video. The first clip you saw, my audio kept going in and out with my microphone, so voiceover. But yeah, this is spring and summer from SHEIN. With the tariffs going on, I'm still gonna buy from them. I mean, I'm looking at the tariff prices right now and they don't look that bad. I did see like an increase, like it looked like $5, $10 on certain things, but you know, you're still getting a good deal on clothes when you think about a pair of jeans is $150 going right now. Shoes been $200. I mean, so yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more try on at home, or I can do a shop my closet. I have a lot of clothes in my closet that I piece together as outfits. And I can show you that. Yeah, just let me know what you want to see from me. Any brands that I might not know about. I will be doing some lookbooks on vacation, so little shorts you can check out. That'll be coming in June. I'm gonna try to do the same day turnaround with those lookbooks. So yeah.